Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you're signed into iCloud on the iPhone or iPad that manages the Airpods. This is why removal is linked to your Apple ID. Once signed in, open the Find My app and tap Devices. Find the Airpods item in the list, then pause. Putting the Airpods in their case prevents accidental connections. Now you're ready for the actual removal command, which avoids leaving location data tied to your account. Once you've selected Remove this device in Find My, confirm the removal to detach location tracking immediately. This severs the Airpods from that Apple ID. Next, forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings on any paired device so automatic reconnects stop. If you plan to hand them off or resell, reset them. With the case open, hold the Setup button about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This clears device memory and completes dissociation. Finish by refreshing Find My and verifying the Airpods no longer appear. Changes may take a minute to propagate across devices. If they still show, sign out of iCloud and sign back in on the managing device, then refresh Find My to force an update. Make sure you also checked Bluetooth Forget and the reset completed successfully. Troubleshooting tip: if the entry persists, repeat the Airpods reset and restart your phone. That usually clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.